and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be showing you guys into my pantry and also a little bit of organization that I have done to really make it my own. So if you guys want to see more videos like that, definitely let me know in the comments below and by giving me this video a thumbs up. It just really helps me to know what videos you guys want to see in the future. But yeah, so that's what today's video is going to be about, and let's get started. Okay, so at the top of my pantry, that's where I keep my different kinds of spaghetti. So we have spaghetti, fettuccine, rigatoni, penne, like that kind of stuff are in those two different containers. Then next to that is where I keep my white sugar and brown sugar to the back. And then we also have the two different spice rack containers that I have. And that's where I keep all of my spices. I got those from Big Lots. The next shelf is where we keep all of our dinner kind of foods. We have Texas toast, croutons, and then behind that we have like the mashed potatoes that we use, and behind that is just like a couple of different types of cooking items. And then over to the right of that we have taco shells that were left over, and then we also have the olive oil and Pam that we use, and then also just a couple extra little cooking items. And then next to that we keep yellow rice, which I do have the directions on the bottle. I just wanted to get rid of the bags that it came in. So that's there. And then we also have some tea bags because we like to make iced tea and I love my hot tea. So that's what's in that little jar. And then underneath that is our snack shelf. So we have snacks for me, Jacob, and Maddie. To the left is all of Maddie's snacks, so she has like fruit snacks, granola bars, Nutter Butters, Oreos, mini cookies, that kind of stuff. And then in the middle we have Oreo minis, and then behind that we have marshmallows, and then to the very right we have Goldfish in the very back, and then these like Hershey chocolate bars that Jacob likes. They're like nut and caramel, and I don't like nuts, so I don't eat those. And then on the shelf below that is where we keep all of our chips. So in the first one we have Lay's Wavy Original, which obviously we need to stock up on. And then we also have Cool Ranch Doritos. And then over a little bit more we have Chex Mix. And then behind that is the empty container that I need to put the Oreo minis in. But my boyfriend just placed it there, I guess, when he was doing dishes, because I did have it in the washer, or in the dishwasher. So below that is where we keep canned goods. That means any vegetables, fruit, tuna fish, like anything in a can, we keep in that. Then over to the right of that is a cereal container, which currently has Special K Honey and Oats, which is Jacob's favorite Special K cereal. And then we also have boxes of mini cereal. Maddie took one today, that's why it's empty. But there is Fruit Loops, Mini Wheats, Apple Jacks, Pops, all that kind of stuff. And then at the very bottom we have boxes of stuff to refill snacks and all of that fun stuff. And then we also have some chips, Pringle chips in the back, which I just didn't put up in the snack shelf yet, so I do need to do that. But that's everything that is on this side of the pantry. And then if you take a quick left, there is an extra couple set of shelves. So you guys will see that in a minute. So this is basically what the front of the pantry looks like. Alright, so on this side we have two bins. The first bin holds any like extra paper plates, paper bowls, straws. There's extra chips that we haven't really broken out to yet. So that's everything that's in that first bin. And then in the second bin is where we keep any extra like snacks and stuff, but currently it's empty. I have to take those snacks that are at the bottom and put them in that bucket, but just haven't really gotten around to it yet. So this was in those two little bins. And then we move on to the second shelf, which is where we house all of our lunch bags. Currently mine and Jacob's are out of there right now, but yeah, that's where we normally keep them. And then there's also an extra cereal container next to that. On this third shelf we have ragu sauce. We got them on buy one get one, so there is quite a bit. And then we also have blueberry bagels and also cinnamon bagels. Normally I get the original, but when we went to Publix that day there were none and they were buy one get one, so we had to get something. But anyway, so in this little under the shelf container, that's where we keep any like regular bread, hot dog rolls, hamburger rolls, that kind of stuff. And then below that we keep extra of the fruit snacks and the cereal containers, which again need to go in that upper container, but just haven't gotten around to it. And then at that bottom shelf is where we normally keep toilet paper and tissue paper, or not tissue paper, but paper towels, just anything extra. And then we also have that little dustpan and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Bye everyone.